This is the most creepy thing on earth, people. Hello, Elroad's here, and today, I already posted today, but there's a creepy clown following me. It's for a quest. Hey, but you know what the good thing is? No, it's not about how many subscribers I have, because I don't have any subscribers. I'm kidding, I have subscribers. So yeah, I have subscribers. I just, the coolest thing ever is that I might accomplish my dream of getting level 15 very soon. And oh my god, there's even stars behind him. Oh my god. I legit think he's attacking me. Yeah! Run. Okay, phew. I kind of hate Jester. He's kind of like the creepiest thing on earth, might be what I'm trying to say. What? We have to examine the trees? Those don't look like trees. I might be doing this for a special quest, that I saw a YouTuber called... what's her name? Honey Hearts do? Look, and the weird thing is I actually didn't know I had these quests, or else I would have done them like a while ago. But see, ever since I don't know what level it was, I've started to get quests that I can't see on my map. What? And also, like, it doesn't show all the orange when you're, when things are covered in the sparkly stuff. At least not for most of the stuff. Like, I call this is not really a main quest. A main quest, for my definition, would be like, let's say, I don't really know, like, let's say, a main quest would be where you had to completely, like... Okay, right. A main quest is where, like, you would get a race, for example. Like, you would get... Like, it would be a main quest if suddenly in Mistfall there was a race called The Greenest Race. That's a horrible name, but I don't care. The Greenest Race, and that would be a main story quest, and I really hate some of his friends. He doesn't have very nice. Oh my god, do you know how far away that is? That's their people. That's the Iron Gate. Oh my god. But I think it's fine, because I think this is like where we start to almost get these in. Yes, so it's kind of late. What time is it? Wow, that's late. Okay, where are we even? Okay, right. So yeah, it's just shorter if we run from here. And officially, guys, if we get 2 more people, you'll have to scroll down to see all of the people in the club. And I think that's amazing, because do you know what this means? I could have all those subscribers. I'm kidding, that's not all I care about. Sometimes I care about the environment and stuff occasionally. I'm kidding, I always do. Don't. JK people. Ugh. I can't wait till it's mail day. I don't have enough money. I need more money. Once I get 10,000, sorry, star coins, not star coins, oh my god. If I could suddenly get 1,000 star coins, that would be so good. Everybody's logging off because it's like night. Oh my god, I really hate that cross-country jump because I always do it on my way to the arena. I do all of these jumps on the way to the arena, but that one, like, I always mess it up. Because I can. Wait. No. I really hope it's a snow day tomorrow. I really do. Like, never before have I wanted it to be a snow day even more. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, where is the arena? I'm kidding. Could you imagine, like, walking across? It's like, you're right here. It's like, hi, where's the arena? Yeah, sorry to bother you, but where's the arena? And it's just kind of just rear at the arena, and it's like, oh, I didn't know it was that. I thought that was a bread factory. That is probably not what they said they would say what they think it is. I really don't know who we're going to find. Oh, wow. Oh my god, is that a ghost? Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, if I've ever thought I needed to tell Linda about this more. Oh my god, that didn't work. We're going places. Yay. Ah, fly. How come my player is not leveling up? This ain't working. Okay. Fly. Meep. 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 Why do I do that? 'Cause I can. Yay. Okay, where's the arena? So yeah, it might be leveling up in this video. If Onyx Magic could suddenly go like 2 times as fast. Wow, Onyx Magic, just an idea, but maybe you could suddenly go like 10 times faster than that. Thank you. No problem. Weep. Okay, tell Linda. It wasn't a good trip. Am I even supposed to go anywhere? That's it? Ugh! Great. Guess we're headed to try to finish the one in Fort Pinto that's been there for a year. What on earth? That's a vineyard notice board? Isn't the vineyard notice board supposed to be, like, there? Anyways, let's look at the vineyard horses. I don't think I like any of them. Yeah, because they're all Lusitano. Wow. Okay, if I ever get a Lusitano, it's gonna be that one. Ooh, or that one. I like that one too, and that one. Wow. What's that? So, I thought it was another planet. Okay, I thought that was an albino. Oh my god, this is like my enemy horse. I hate you, horse. Well, I'm not the horse breed, but people who ride them, usually I hate them because their name is usually Zoe Lightningfire. If you watch my videos, subscribe with notification bells on. Because you're my enemy. I don't actually know where I'm going out, right? I wish I had a tracker. I'm kidding. No, I wish I had like Canamera right now. Because that would be very nice. Because I really want to do that race. So I'm pretty sure when we do get our Canamera, it's gonna be called Poopface. I'm kidding. It's gonna be called, I don't remember, Jade something. It won't be Jade Jumper, even though I thought about that, because I have these, the Sly horse, and her name is, Angel Jumper, and, I really like her. She's a really good horse, a well-bred, yay. And, yeah, she's my favorite horse I have. But like, and she's a Lusitano. I mean, not a Lusitano, no. She's a Lipizzaner. But so I'm saving the name Angel Jumper for her. So yeah. Is that a Star Rider? Okay, no. I have like 0 friends who are non-Star Rider. Actually, yeah, of course I do. I have... Whoa, that was totally misjump. That was like funny. Okay, corner up. Let's go. Oh my god, why does the music get like this? Okay, my horse decided to stop. Whoa. Write it in the comments below. Do you think Onyx Magic looks ugly? Write it in the comments below, because that's what Zoe said. She said that we can be friends, but as soon as you have enough star coins, you need to buy a nicer horse, because that one looks ugly. So I will get a new horse, but that's because of me, not because of you. So if you do watch my videos, get off of this channel. I'm kidding. Continue subscribing. And I found a new enemy today, but we didn't actually get to race or anything. Chip chop. So I actually know where this is already, because I already did this. I just couldn't complete it because I had to get off. Log off. Oh my god. Remember when that horse, not that one had a medical issue? Yeah, the other day, this Lusitano, like, it was turned dark brown. Yeah, it turned all dark brown, and like, I was recording, and I just looked, I saw it in the corner of my eye, and I turned it, and I was like, well, that horse had a medical issue, it's fine now, though. Hey, we're back. I just had to do something. We're heading to Hollowwoods to do something. Oh yeah, there was we're heading to find a tree. It had our people's, like, game player, like, the people in the game who are given scripts to talk. It had their names on it, so I need to find it. I kind of hate doing these quests, but I kind of have to. Is this it? Because, like, that's kind of a sin. Whoa. Easy. I don't even know where the tree is. Like, yeah. I get that once you're level 13, you kind of need to start looking for yourself. You're not a non-star or nobody anymore. But nobody has the time to look around in these woods so much. Weep. Oh, maybe it's that one. Because that one also looks quite scented. And big. Wow, big. Whoa. That, I'm not gonna get eaten by tree roots today. Wow, Stop flashing. Only one person in my club is on. I guess they're all, like, sleeping. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I can't find the tree. I'll find it some other day. Question mark? Actually, I might keep looking. I think I see a hot air balloon in the distance. Great, there goes Sophie. Oh, what? If you play Star Stable and you know this quest, comments down below, people. Oh my god. Maybe they thought a small tree was special, so they put it on a small tree. Oh my god, what's wrong with Star Stable? And I know I have mail, and that's probably just bad mail. Anyways, it's just, yeah, I'm gonna save that for a mailing video. See you guys next time. Bye. Bye. So, is that Sophie? No, I really hope that's not Sophie. See you guys next time. Can she? No, that's not Sophie. No.